Okay, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update number 232 for Monday, 27th of July, 2026. I hope you're all well. Hope you've had a good weekend. Hope you're ready for what is likely to be one of the kind of biggest weeks of the year before everybody loses interest and goes on holiday. Okay. If you're joining us for the first time, the Monday Market Update is just that. It is me flying through as much as I can share with you over the next 30 minutes, looking at strength and weakness within the FX indices and commodities markets. I look at a few relevant charts of interest that might be of interest to yourselves, and then I look at the live markets. It is not a signal service. It's not trade recommendations. It's just me sharing with you what I'm looking at, which might actually be of use or interest to yourself in your own trading and investing endeavors. Then we have Microsoft. They are Wednesday after the close as well. Microsoft has been, this weekly chart has been a fascinating chart. And we've covered it quite a few times, okay, over the last year or two, mainly because some of the price action has been fascinating. So, from the Trump tantrum there, okay, back in tariff tantrums back in April, where we had that beautiful bullish engulfing, okay, bullish key reversal, all right, and rallied hard into this then, almost like perfect, 1, 2, 3 double top there, okay, just above the $500 before we kind of slid our way down, descending triangle, okay, falling away, looking like we were going to do a monger and bounce off the 200 period moving average, but then we got capped by the 50, okay, which has really has turned its way, rolled over, and we are back down here, and we are here at kind of this 200 period moving average, $360. Is that enough for a double bottom? I look at that. We are underneath the weekly 20, underneath 400, at the 200 period moving average. It's kind of, for me, I look at that once again, this is price coiling up, and I'm expecting the sort of the earnings numbers on Wednesday, Wednesday evening to be the kind of main drive. That's the way I would look at it. All right. And of course, so everybody's going to be looking at the growth in Azure. All right. Okay. That's going to have the biggest focus. And you've heard me say this a few times, all right, it is going to be about examining kind of AI revenue, all right, versus the kind of spending on infrastructure, okay. That's what traders and investors are interested in at the moment, and I think it's not unfair to say that these results from Microsoft, they could kind of set the tone for the overall wider AI sector, all right. So it's it's going to be, as I said, it's going to be a big week. It's going to be an interesting week, all right. And I think Wednesday after close and Thursday after close, okay. And remember, Wednesday you've also got FOMC, and Thursday morning you've got Bank of Japan, and then you've got Bank of England. It's going to be an interesting few days, ladies and gentlemen, all right. So there we go.